particular rules. You just keep in your mind one thing: without rules, mathematics is impossible. Just like that, without grammar rules, grammar is impossible. ठीक है? So we start with particular rule and rule number 1. What the rule number 1 says? Just look at it. If the sentence in active voice is in present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Then what you have to do? You have to use is a mark before third form of verb while changing it into passive voice. Okay? Is in present indefinite tense, then use is, am, are before third form of verb in passive voice. Now, let me ask you one question. How would you recognize that the sentence is in present indefinite category? It depends on the form of verb. If you recognize that the form of verb is first form, then it will be easy for you that the sentence is in present indefinite tense, and you have to use then is, am, are when you are going to change it into passive voice. For example, let us write a sentence that she now cooks a sweet dish. She cooks a sweet dish. First of all, you have to point out all the parts of the sentences. Now move to the board. Okay? You have to point out all the words of the sentences. Okay? Just look at the first word. What is it? It is she, and she is a subject. What is cooks? Cooks is the first form of verb. A sweet dish, it is an object. So what the general rule says? What I said? Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. First form, second form changes into third form, and y is used before object. Okay? Then make a sweet dish as a subject. Then how the sentence is going to change? It changes according to the rule. A sweet dish. Tell me one thing. Sweet dish is singular or plural subject? It is a singular. Sweet dish is a singular subject. And what we use with singular subject? A singular helping verb. And what is singular helping verb here? Is. Because am is specially designed for I. Are is specially designed for plural subjects. And is designed for singular subjects. And sweet dish is a singular subject. So how we are going to change it? A sweet dish is, what is the third form of cook? Cooked. C-O-K-E-D, cooked. And what you have to use before object? Why? What is the object of she? The object of she is her. And at last we are using her. So it's your passive voice according to the rule. And what the rule was? If the sentence in active voice is in present indefinite, then you have to use is, am, are to change it into passive voice. Clear? सबको क्लियर हुआ? सबको हो गया क्लियर?